In the View Adjust Inventory section of our inventory management, you can view and adjust the inventory quantities of your products. You can filter the products shown by location, by category, or by vendor. You can filter products that are currently tracked in inventory, products that are not tracked in inventory, and finally products that are below your threshold level, which are the products you're running low on. You can also search for specific products, or sort the products by product name or the SKU. In this report, you will see the current quantity on hand of specific products, the unit that the item is tracked in, and the threshold level. This is the level at which you get notified that you're running low on a particular item. Next, there is the Inventory Deduct setting. When this is checked, the inventory is being tracked for the item. You can also see the quantity of items that have a specific shipping status. The inventory quantity that you see here is updated automatically every 10 minutes. It decreases when you sell items and increases when you receive purchase orders automatically. If you need to, you can change the quantity manually directly from here. Let's say you did a manual count and you realize you have 2 more of these t-shirts. In that case, you can simply type in the new quantity and click Save. You will be asked to confirm the cost of these extra items, and the system will pre-populate the latest cost that was entered for this particular product. A purchase order will be also created for adding these 2 items, and an entry will be made in the Inventory Adjustment Report. You can also deduct inventory from here by simply entering the new inventory amount and clicking on Save. An entry will be made in the Inventory Adjustment Report for this too. From this screen, you can navigate to the Products and Services Management screen, print or export this report, or go to Settings. In Settings, you can show or hide the SKU column, set up entries in the Inventory Adjustment Report for increasing inventory, and set up your threshold levels. You can get notified about items reaching their threshold level immediately when the item reaches a threshold level, or just once a day with all the items that have reached their threshold level. If you have any questions about the View Adjust Inventory page, please contact us by phone, chat, or email 24/7. We'll be happy to help you.